Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the fee structure for MBBS and BDS courses provided by Sri Balaji Vidyapeeth Deemed University, Puducherry. So I am Manikavela Arumugam. You can reach me at Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, or Gmail at the same user ID, just get MBBS. In case if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, I kindly request you to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I post new videos. So Sri Balaji Vidyapeeth Deemed University located in Puducherry. It has 3 medical colleges. Mahatma Gandhi Medical College Puducherry, which has 250 MBBS seats. Sri Satya Sai Medical College, which is near Chennai, has 150 MBBS seats. And Indira Gandhi Institute of Dental Sciences, Puducherry, which offers 100 BDS seats. And the counseling authority is Medical Counseling Committee or MCC. If you look at the fee structure for the year 2020, Mahatma Gandhi Medical College, the tuition fee is 22 lakhs per year. And then you need to add 1.5 lakhs for research and development fee. And for the first year, you need to pay a 25,000 for university registration fee. So the first year it will be 23.75 lakhs, and subsequent years you need to pay 23.5 lakhs. If you look at Sri Satya Sai Medical College in Chennai or near Chennai, the tuition fee, the annual tuition fee is 20 lakhs. And then the research and development fee is 1.5 lakhs. And the university registration fee, which is charged at the beginning of admission, is 25,000. So the first year you need to pay 21.75 lakhs, and subsequently every year you need to pay 21.5 lakhs. Indira Gandhi Institute of Dental Sciences, which is for BDS, the annual tuition fee is 5 lakhs, and then the university registration fee is 25,000. So every year you will be paying 5 lakh rupees. Now, if you look at the NRI fee structure, Mahatma Gandhi, the annual tuition fee is 50,000 US dollars. In addition, every year you'll be paying 1.5 lakhs towards research and development fees. Of course, at the time of admission, you need to pay 25,000 rupees towards university registration fees. Sri Satya Sai Medical College, the NRI fees is 47,500 US dollars per year, plus 1.5 lakhs towards research and development fees. And at the time of admission, you need to pay 25,000 rupees towards university registration. So of course, on top of these, you need to add the hostel and mess fees. And the documents that are needed at the time of admission, you need to produce the provisional allotment letter downloaded from the MCC website, community certificate, whether if you are OBC or SC or ST, probably you need to provide the community certificate, NEET admit card, NEET results card, 12th mark sheet, 10th mark sheet. In case 10th mark sheet doesn't show your birth date, then probably you need a separate date of birth certificate, transfer certificate or migration certificate, contact certificate, 15 passport size photograph. The photograph should be same as the one you have affixed on NEET application form. And then photocopies of all the above certificates. You need 2 sets self-attested. You need proof of identity, either Aadhaar card, voter card, passport, driving license, or any other Government of India issued identity card. And then a family photograph or photograph with the legal guardian to be submitted at the time of commencement of classes. And then there are certain additional documents if you are an NRI or OCI or foreigner. Candidate's parents' residence certificate issued by the embassy of the country in which your parents are employed. If foreign student, you need a valid passport, visa, or residence permit. If you are an OCI, you need a valid passport of your nationality and then OCI card. Please also note that your qualifying certificate must be recognized and approved by the Association of Indian Universities or Commonwealth Universities or International Association of Universities as equivalent to the corresponding Indian certificates. NRI sponsored candidates, passport copy of the sponsorer, sponsorship affidavit stating that the sponsor is ready to bear the expenses for the whole duration of the study, and relationship of the candidate with the sponsorer. So these are the documents you need if you are either an NRI, OCI, or foreigner. So these are the information I wanted to share about Sri Balaji Vidyapith Deemed University, Puducherry. I hope to see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.